Hi everybody. We have a Mercedes W204 2010 C300. The problem with this car, the steering lock went bad, so I want to show you how to start it with the emulator. This the new design. So what it does, it says it won't do nothing. It says take your key, and the car won't start. Okay. So real fast, I'm gonna plug the emulator and show you guys how to start it. Okay, it's hanging on the steering lock connector. Okay, also made the custom connector for the emulator itself, so it'll be plug and play. So we're gonna take the key. Start right up. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, I'm gonna have to remove the steering wheel and pull the steering lock.